Hello 8th grade, this is your instructional lunch for English Week 10, and this week we're going to talk about wrapping up that first project and moving on to the next one. We have been working on Poetry Slam for about 10 weeks. This first project in English 8 is due November 1st. Our next project, Dream On, Imaginative Narratives, will be assigned on Wednesday, November 1st, and it will be due on December 21st, giving you about 7 weeks to work on this project. I thought maybe 8th grade learners would get a little bit of clarification if they saw Summit from a teacher's point of view. When we look at English 8, we see the projects. We did not assign Unsolved Mystery. It included a lot of collaborative work, so we moved on to Poetry Slam. Maybe we will come back to Unsolved Mystery later, but for us, the next project is called Dream On, Imaginative Narratives. So when I look at Poetry Slam, I see that 4 learners have completed this project. However, there were 13 assigned, so that means 9 learners need to catch up with this project as soon as possible, as it is due on November 1st. And I have here no feedback requests from anyone. No one has asked for their project to be scored yet, and no one has a draft scoring request. Now, there are 7 checkpoints in this project, but none of them are very difficult at all. Annotated practice with 3 resources, looking at other people's poetry, again, looking at other people's and trying to find where's the poetic devices, that roadmap of alliteration, metaphor, simile, looking for evidence in that poetry, and then moving on to making a paragraph about what you found in the theme of those poems, then starting to draft your own poem and using poetic devices. As you might be aware, there is a system of red light, yellow light, green light in the checkpoints of projects. I see many of my learners do have green lights. Some need to get started so they can get their green lights to move on as quickly as possible through these checkpoints. Just remember, learners, it's very important for you to request feedback. The button is down here on the lower right-hand side. You click on this, Request Submit for feedback. Again, learners, remember that the blue line of time does not stop. It keeps marching on. And you want to try to be as close to the blue line as possible, as this learner is on track. How about you?